Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to disable specific payment gateway for multiple shipping method in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to disable specific payment gateway. Now you see we are in checkout page and then you see shipping method, free shipping, and then you see payment gateway, direct bank transfer, check payment, cash on delivery. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see gateway to disable array and then you see COD. COD mean cash on delivery. So this is our payment gateway ID of cash on delivery. So you can add payment gateway ID according to your requirement, and then you see shipping method. So we are going to disable cash on delivery payment method for flat rate and free shipping. Now you see, so you can add multiple shipping method according to your requirement, and scroll down you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to checkout page. Now you see our shipping method is free shipping. So we are going to disable cash on delivery. Now refresh the page. Now you see our shipping method is free shipping and you don't see cash on delivery payment gateway, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.